Alright, so today I just wanted to do a look at my new 300 Honda. Do a little walk around for you guys. I did put the tires off the 420 on here. Well, these are the back ones that were on it temporarily because I got my other ITP tires and wheels back on there. But so it'll have them on there now. It's a 96 model. Good four-wheeler. Did all new brakes and stuff on it. Runs pretty good. Do a little ride on her. I am planning on keeping this four-wheeler out of the mud, taking care of it and stuff, but I know I started trying to ride some wheelies on it just because I want to see if I could on one of these. Do a lot of videos on this just because it's just kind of slow riding, just kind of something to take it easy on. I'm gonna keep it probably for an extra four-wheeler, probably at least keep it for the summer, but I don't know, it's always good to have an extra one hanging around. I want to try to take care of it and stuff, keep it out of the mud holes and everything. I don't know why, it feels so cool to ride a wheelie on this. It's like wheelies on it a lot. I kind of want to do some for this video. Little carburetor bog there. That's one thing about them. The carburetor like that gets left out. I really do like these four-wheelers. Yep, well, thanks for watching.